Exercise 4.2, question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. First one, x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. So here we are going to take x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. So 5 and 2 we are taking the factors. So when you are going to add, we get minus 3. When you are going to multiply, we should get minus 10 x square here. So here x we are going to take common. So x minus 5 here plus 2 into x minus 5 equal to 0. So we get x minus 5 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So here x minus 5 equal to 0, that means x equal to 5. Next x plus 2 equal to 0, that means x equal to minus 2. So one is 5, another is minus 2 here. Second, minus 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0 here. So 2, when you are going to take 2x common, then x plus 2, here minus 3 common, which is x plus 2, that equal to 0. So one factor, x plus 2, and another is 2x minus 3 equal to 0 here. So x plus 2 equal to 0, that means x equal to minus 2. Next 2x minus 3 equal to 0, that means x equal to 3 by 2 here. So one is minus 2, another is 3 by 2 here. Third one, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. So here we are going to take root 2x square here plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. When you are going to multiply 5 root 2 into root 2, we will be getting 10, and 2x plus 5x is also 7x. And when you multiply also, you will get this product here. So taking root 2x common, then x plus root 2 plus 5x plus root 2 equal to 0 here. So one is x plus root 2, so another is root 2 x plus 5, so that equal to 0. So x plus root 2 equal to 0, then x equal to minus root 2, 1. Next root 2x plus 5 equal to 0, that means x equal to minus 5 under root 2. This is second. Fourth one, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. So here we are going to multiply this with 8. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. In order to remove the fraction, we are going to multiply with 8 here. So we get 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0 here. So now we are going to take the fractions 4x minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So these are the factors. Now taking common 4x, which is 4x minus 1, and here minus 1, 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So 4x minus 1 equal to 0, and another is 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So here x equal to 1 by 4 and here x equal to 1 by 4. So these are the two factors. Next, fifth one, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. So here taking 100x square, here minus 10x minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. So 10x we are going to take common here, 10x minus 1, and here minus 1 we are going to take common, which is 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So 10x minus 1 and 10x minus 1 equal to 0 here. So 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So that will be x equal to 1 by 10. So another also same, which will be 1 by 10 here. So the roots are 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 here. Question number 2. Solve the problems given in example 1. So here in the first one, the question is x square minus 45x plus 324 here. So that will be 0. So taking the roots, which x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 equal to 0. So 36 minus 9, 45, 36 into 9, 324. So taking x common here, x minus 36, and here taking 9 common, x minus 36 equal to 0. So one is x minus 36, another is x minus 9 equal to 0 here. So x minus 36 equal to 0, that means x equal to 36. Next, x minus 9 equal to 0, that means x equal to 9. So one root is 36, another is 9 here. Second question, which is x square minus 55x plus 750 equal to 0. So now x square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750 here. Minus 30 minus 25 minus 55, and minus 30 into minus 25, 750 here. Taking x common, x minus 30, taking 25 common, x minus 30, that equal to 0. So here x minus 30 and here x minus 25 equal to 0. So x minus 30 equal to 0, that means x equal to 30. X minus 25 equal to 0, that means x equal to 25. So one is 30, another is 25 here. Roots. Question number 3. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So let one number be x and another number will become 27 minus x, because the sum is 27. So now the product is 182. That means x into 27 minus x equal to 182. So when you are going to multiply 27x minus x square equal to 182. So that means x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0 here. Now taking the roots here, which will be x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. So 14, 13, 27 and 14 into 13, 182. Taking x common here, x minus 14, here taking 13 common, x minus 14 equal to 0. So we get x minus 14 and x minus 13 equal to 0. So x minus 14 equal to 0. So x equal to 14. And here x minus 13 equal to 0 and x equal to 13 here. So if x equal to 14, then the other number will become 27 minus 14 equal to 13. If x equal to 13, the other number will become 27 minus 13, which is 14. So the two numbers are 13 and 14 here. Question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers. Sum of whose squares is 365. So let one number be x, the other number will become x plus 1 here. The sum of their squares, that means x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 365 here. So one number is x, another number is x plus 1 and the sum of the squares. So squares means x square plus x plus whole square equal to 365. So when you are going to simplify x square plus here x square a plus b whole square x square plus 1 plus 2x plus 365. So here we will be getting 2x square plus 2x 365 minus 1. So here minus sign 364 equal to 0. Taking 2 common, we get x square plus x minus 364 here 2, that means by 2 182 equal to 0. Now taking roots here, which is x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equal to 0 here. So x common we are going to take. So x plus 14 here minus 13 x plus 14 equal to 0 here. So one is x plus 14, another is x minus 13 equal to 0. So x plus 14 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 14. Another is x minus 13 equal to 0, x equal to 13. So omitting minus 14 here, taking 13 as the number. So one number is x, then one number is x, the other number is x plus 1, that means 13 plus 1, which is 14 here. So 13 and 14 are the two consecutive positive integers here. Question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. So here right triangle is given. So base, if you are going to take x, the altitude is 7 centimeters less, that means x minus 7 here, and the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters here. So we know the Pythagoras theorem. Suppose a here, b here, c. So we know ab square plus bc square equal to ac square here. So applying the theorem here, so which will be x minus 7 whole square plus x square equal to 13 whole square. So here x square plus 49 minus 14x plus x square equal to 169 here. So x square 2x square here minus 14x and minus 169 plus 49, here we get minus 120 equal to 0. Taking 2 common, we get x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0 here. So now taking the roots here, x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. Minus 12 plus 5 minus 7 minus 12 into 5 minus 60. Taking x common here, x minus 12 plus 5 x minus 12 equal to 0. So one is x minus 12 equal to 0, other is x plus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to 12 here, here x equal to minus 5 here. So omitting minus 5, taking 12. So x is 12, that means AB, which is x minus 7. So that will be 12 minus 7, that equal to 5. So one is 12 centimeter, other is 5 centimeters. Question number 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of articles in a day, and it was observed that the cost of the article is 3 more than twice the number of articles on that day. If the total cost of the production is 90 rupees, then you are going to find out the number of articles produced. So here the data given here, let the article is equal to x, and cost is given, which is 3 more than twice the number of articles. So twice the number of articles, which is 2x, and 3 more, that means plus 3. And we are going to find the number of articles here, that means x we are going to find out. So when you are going to find out the total cost, which is 90 degree, total cost which is 90 rupees, that means article into this cost is equal to 90, that means x into 2x plus 3 equal to 90 rupees here. So that will be 2x square plus 3x equal to 90 here. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. Now taking factors, 2x square here plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. Taking x common here, we get 2x plus 15, and taking 6 common here, which is 2x plus 15 equal to 0. So 2x plus 15 equal to 0, x minus 6 equal to 0. So here x equal to 15 by 2 and here x equal to 6 here. Here minus 15 by 2. So omitting the negative integer, taking x equal to 6 here. So the article x equal to 6, and now cost when you are going to see, which is 2x plus 3 here. So 2 into 6 plus 3, that will be 12 plus 3, which equal to 15 rupees here.